Amid the rising geopolitical tension in West Asia, fears of supply disruption around the critical Strait of Hormuz, PM Narendra Modi's visit to the UAE has delivered a massive win for India's energy security. With global oil market under the intense pressure, India and the UAE have signed two landmark energy agreements. This isn't just routine diplomacy. This is a strategic shield designed to protect Indian consumers from the future oil shock, supply disruption, and soaring fuel prices. The Strait of Hormuz is a narrow waterway through which nearly 20 million barrels of crude oil pass every single day. It is the main shipping route oil giants like Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Kuwait, and Qatar. For India, this single route represents a major strategic vulnerability. Crude oil, over 50% of India's crude oil import from this narrow strait. LPG cooking gas, roughly 60% of India's cooking gas is imported and 90% of the supply moves right through the Strait of Hormuz. LNG natural gas, more than half of India's liquid natural gas import rely on the same route. During PM Modi's visit, the Indian energy companies signed two major agreements with Abu Dhabi National Oil Company or ADNOC. The first agreement focused on the strategic petroleum reserve, which is essentially giant underground emergency oil stockpile used as a buffer during war or global supply crisis. Right now, India's emergency reserves are quite modest compared to other global power. The United States holds nearly 1,397 million barrels. China has around 413 million barrels. Japan maintains over 263 million barrels. India, by comparison, currently has a capacity of just 3.8 million barrels or 5.3 million metric tons across the Visakhapatnam, Bangalore, and Pidor. But under this new ideal, UAE ADNOC may store up 30 million barrels of crude oil right here in Indian facility, including the upcoming reserves, Chandikol and Odisha. Even more importantly, the agreement allow India to store crude oil in Fujairah, UAE port that sites outside the Strait of Hormuz. This means even if shipping inside the strait grinds to halt, India can safely bypass the conflict zone, access its oil. To support this partnership, India is aggressively expanding its domestic infrastructure. An additional 6.5 million metric tons of the storage capacities has already been approved, including a 4 million ton facility at Chandikol and a 2.5 million ton expansion at Podor. But the security blanket doesn't stop at the crude oil. The second major agreement tackles cooking gas. Indian Oils Corporation, ADNOC Gas, are now moving towards long-term LPG supply agreement by locking in these long-term contracts. India secures stable supplies, reduce its dependence on the expensive, volatile spot market, and ensure better price predictability for the everyday household consumer. Beyond energy security, this visit signals all-time high for the bilateral relationship, with the UAE announcing investment worth of $5 billion in India. A key agreement will signed across multiple critical sectors like defense. A new strategic defense partnership framework was launched to boost joint defense production, maritime security, cyber defensive technology. The two nations agreed to build a massive 8x superfast computer cluster known as CDAC-G42. Trade and shipping plans were locked in for major ship repair hub at Wadinar along the side launch of the Maitri, which will trade corridor to fast track customs and